very happy morning to each and every viewer who is watching this live class. Extremely important class, and please make a note of few important things before we get into the class. Some important key points which I wanted to say. Then I wanted to start the class. Very important key points. Very important key points. The first and foremost important key point is to help the students who are preparing for IBPS PO 2022 exam and SBI PO 2022 examination. We, Ace Online, came out with a lot of classes to help you maximize your chances of clearing these aptitude examination in the first attempt. Next 3 months it is going to be more of an examination time. So ensure that you pay utmost attention to all these classes. The classes will be held, these YouTube live classes will be held from morning 11 o'clock to 12:30 or 1 p.m. 11 to 12:30 will be the live class timing. 11 to 12:30 will be the live class timing. Sir, this week what will be the topics that will be discussed? This week, this entire week, our focus point is on arithmetic, which is the most important section in aptitude examination. Arithmetic, we will discuss fundamentals, concepts, previous year exam models, better way of solving a problem, fastest way approaches, all that we will discuss. All arithmetic based questions will be discussed. So from here till 14th August, every day I will come live at morning 11 o'clock and I will take out the class from 12:30 or 12:45, 1 o'clock. Arithmetic will be the topic of discussion. I would request each and every student to sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Sit with a notebook and a pen. Make a note of every important concept, whatever I am discussing. Sit with a notebook and a pen. Sit with a notebook and a pen. I hope it is clear. Now, what I will do is, I will explain in a simplest way. The way of solving will be simplest in nature. The way of solving will be extremely simplest in nature. So, just all you have to do is, just sit in the class, listen to these approaches, write and ask me as many doubts as possible. Then revise the class. That will be giving a lot of strong foundation in the topic. Today being the first class in this arithmetic special series, today I will discuss the fundamentals, then I will stretch it into the next level. Now let us get into the class. Let us get into the class. Arithmetic. Arithmetic is an extremely important topic. Arithmetic can actually enhance your chances of clearing the cutoff, or it can break your chances of clearing the cutoff. Arithmetic. Arithmetic is also called as, in few books, business mathematics. Almost each and every topic is used in a day-to-day life. Business mathematics. Business maths. It is also called as business maths. Arithmetic. What are the important topics that a student should keep it in mind while solving arithmetic problems? One is percentages. Percentages is the backbone of arithmetic. Only if you understand percentages and its varieties, only when you understand percentages and its varieties, then you can solve. Once you are comfortable with the percentages, you can attempt profit, loss and discount, profit, loss and discount. Every problem that comes under profit, loss and discount is an extension of percentages. You can also solve simple interest and compound interest. You can also go through simple interest and compound interest. These two topics are the applications of percentages. So it's very, very important for us to know the percentages, all the varieties, models, concepts, tips and tricks involved. This is percentages. Once you are comfortable with percentages, then you can go to another topic, which is ratios. Then you can go to another topic, which is ratios. Once you are comfortable with ratios, you can solve a lot of problems related to Another subtopic, that is ages. Most of the questions in ages can be solved very easily by using ratios concept. Then you can also solve a good number of questions related to a topic, partnership. Partnership can also be solved very easily by knowing the concepts of ratios. These are the topics which are application of these topics. Ages is an application of ratios. Partnership is an application of ratios. PLD is an application of percentages. SI and CI is an application of percentages. Once you are comfortable, then we can get into the ratios based application. Another important topic, which is averages. Averages, right, for a unidimensional, for a multidimensional. Averages, weighted average. Next is alligation. Averages, weighted average, alligation, mixtures, removal and replacement. Another very important topic. I am writing the syllabus that comes in arithmetic topic in all your bank related examination. Averages, weighted average, alligation, mixtures, removal and replacement. Then comes very important topic, time, speed and distance. Then comes time and work. Finally, it is pipes and systems. Finally, it is pipes and systems. In time, speed and distance, we will start with late and early problems without speeds are given, average speed related problems, going and coming related problems, going in parts related problems, distance same related problems, time same related problems, trains crossing a pole, crossing a platform, moving in same direction, moving in opposite direction, accident related problems, meeting at some point, then they are taking equal time related problems, then we will solve boats and streams related problems, then escalator related problems, time and work, all the varieties, pipes and systems. Once you are comfortable with the SI and CI, you can also do installment related problems. Installment related problems. Once you are comfortable with the ratios, you can also go through proportion and variation related problems. Proportion and variation related problems. Proportion and variation relation problems. These are the topics which is the syllabus for arithmetic in all your examination. So keeping this syllabus in mind, because SICI and PLD are the extensions of percentages, I will discuss today percentages, how the concepts of percentages can be used in these two topics. We will go very slowly, very steadily. We will understand each and every concept. Then finally we will solve previous year exam model questions. I hope this slide is very much clear to you. Right. Now, percentages. I will not discuss all the concepts which you already know, which I think you should know to solve the problems. That is something which we will discuss. Percentages, important models, important shortcut techniques, which we will discuss in the class. Percentages. A percentage is equivalent to A by 100. A percentage is equivalent to A by 100. Percent means for every 100. For every 100. For every 100 marks, I got 20 marks. It is 20 marks by 100 marks. For every 100 ml, I need 30 ml. 30 ml out of 100 ml. A percent means for every 100, I require A units. 100 units, I require A units. A percentage is A by 100. A percentage is A by 100. 30 percentage is 30 by 100. 30 percentage is 30 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. In fraction it is 3 by 10. 30 percentage is 30 by 100, which is 3 by 10. Suppose if it is 25 percentage, 25% means for every 100, 25 out of 100, it is 1 by 4. 25 percentage, 25 on 100, 25 on 100, 25 ones are, 25 fours are. These percentage to fraction is extremely important for you, right? Percentage to fraction, percentage to fraction. 30% is 3 by 10, 25% is 1 by 4. Now listen carefully. Suppose if I say 16.67%. It is 16.67 is 16.67 by 100. So it is almost close to 1 by 6. Dividing this and solving will take a little time. Dividing this and solving will take little time. 30% is 30 by 100. 0, 0 cancel, 3 by 10. 25% is 25 by 100, 1 by 4. 16.67 is 1 by 6. Now listen carefully, sir. So these percentage to fraction, percentage to fraction. This is a little time consuming for few fractions, for few fractions. So what I will do is, I will tell you some complicated fractions which probably students will find it little difficult to comprehend it. See here, listen carefully. Difficult ones we will discuss. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Listen very carefully, sir. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. 1 by 7 to 6 by 7. There is a way to remember these fraction in percentage. 1 by 7, write down it as 14.2857%. It is 14.2857%. 1 by 7 value is 14.2857%. Sir, how you got these 14.2857? Divide this 1 with 7. So this will become 7 ones are 7, right? 30, 7 fours are 28, 20, 7 twos are 14. And so on. Are you all with me? In percentage is divided by 100. I took 1 multiplied by 100. I took 1 multiplied it by 100, 100 by 7. So 7 ones are 730, 7 fours are 28, 20, 7 twos are 14 and so on. 14.2857. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. Anil sir, is there any reason why you wrote 4 digits after dot? Is there any reason why you wrote 4 digits after dot? Yes, there is a reason. We will discuss that reason. Suppose 2 by 7 I require. Suppose 2 by 7 I require. Take the numerator. What is the numerator? 2. Multiply it by 10. 2 multiplied by 10. What is 2 tens are 20. 2 multiplied by 10. How much it is? 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Am I right? Maximum 2 times it will go. Where is the digit here? Here it is the digit. How many times it is going? 2 times. Write down the digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. Again I am explaining. 2 by 7. Take the numerator 2. Multiply it by 10. 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Maximum 2 times it will go. Write down that digit and the next digit. Dot remaining digits in serial order. 28.5714. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. Multiply it by 10. 3 tens are how much? 30. 3 tens are how much? 30. 7 goes how many times in 30? 7 goes how many times in 30? 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. Maximum 4 times it will go. Write down that digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. 42.8571. 42.8571. 4 by 7. Take the numerator 4. Multiply it by 10. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes how many times in 40? 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. How many times it is going? 5 times. Write down the digit 5 and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. 57.1428. I hope the logic is clear. What I did is, I took the numerator, multiplied by 10. 5 tens are how much? 50. 7 goes how many times in 50? 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. So how many times? 7 times it will go. 7 come to the front. 71.4285. 71.4285. If it is 6 by 7, take the numerator 6, multiplied by 10. 6 tens are 60. 7 goes how many times? 8 times. So this will be 85.7142. These 6 digits are only repeating it again and again. This is one fraction where most of the students will find it difficult to understand. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. What is the numerator in 4 by 7? 4. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes how many times? 5 times. 7 goes how many times? 5 times. 7 goes how many times? 5 times. 7 fives are 35. Write down that digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. 57.1428. These 6 digits are only repeating. I hope the idea it is clear. Next difficult percentage is 1 by 9. 1 by 8 we can easily do from 1 by 2. 1 by 9. Next is 2 by 9. Next is 3 by 9. 4 by 9 and so on up to 8 by 9. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and so on up to 8 by 9. 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11 and so on up to 10 by 11. And so on up to 10 by 11. Another complicated fraction, how to convert it into percentage. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and so on up to 8 by 9. 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11 and so on up to 10 by 11. Listen carefully. Very easy to make a note of it. We all know 9 by 11. 9 by 11 is World Trade Center collapse. 9 by 11. 9 by 11, W2C collapse, or USA emergency number is 911. USA emergency number is 911. Very easy. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 1 11s are 11, write down twice. 11.11. 2 by 9, 2 times 11 is 22.22. 2 times 11 is 22.22. 3 by 9, 3 times 11 is 33.33. 3 times 11 is 33.33. 4 times 11 is 44.44. I hope the idea it is clear. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 5 by 9 is 55.55. 8 by 9 is 8 times 11, 88.88. 88.88. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 2 by 9, denominator is 9. Take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 22.22. 3 by 9, 3 times 11, 33.33. 4 times 11, 44.44. 5 times 11, 55.55. 8 times 11, 88.88. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the concept it is clear. Reverse is also true. Reverse is also true. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. Reverse. If the denominator is 11, take the numerator, multiply by 9, write down twice. 1 9s are 9. 2 by 11, 2 times 9, it is 18.18. 3 times 9, 27.27. 4 times 9, 36.36. 10 times 9, it is 90.90. It is 90.90. Denominator 9 and 11 go together. Denominator 9 and 11 go together. If the denominator it is 9, multiply the numerator by 11, write down twice. If the denominator is 11, multiply the numerator by 9, write down twice. 2 times 9 is 18.18. 3 times 9 is 27.27. 4 times 9 is 36.36. 10 times 9 is 90.90. 9 by 11. 9, 1, 1 go together. 9, 1, 1 go together. USA emergency number is 911. USA WTC collapse date is 9 by 11. I hope the shortcut related to when the denominator it is 7, it is clear to you. When the denominator is 9 and 11, I hope they are also clear to you. Complicated percentages, percentages where good number of students find it difficult, that we will discuss. I hope the idea it is clear. Some more complicated percentages we will discuss. Write down 1 by 12 and 1 by 17 at one go. Write down 1 by 18, 1 by 19, 1 by 20, 1 by 21. 18, 19, 20, 21. Write at one go. Write at one go. 1 by 23, 1 by 29. 1 by 23, 1 by 29. I'll tell you why am I asking you to write 23 and 29 together. Easily you can remember. 1 by 25, 1 by 26 and 1 by 27. 1 by 24, 1 by 25, 1 by 26 and 1 by 27. Listen carefully, sir. 12 and 17, right? 18, 19, 20, 21, 23 and 29, 24, 25, 26, 27. Listen carefully. 24, 25, 26, 27. Which one is easy to compute? 1 by 25 is easy to compute. 1 by 25 is 4%. Remaining all go together with a deviation of 0.15. They go together with a deviation of 0.15. Denominator value decreased, so percentage value increases. 0.15. It is plus 0.15%. 4% plus 0.15. Answer is 4.15. Denominator increased, the value will decrease. This is 3.85%. 3.85%. Denominator increased, value will decrease. It is 3.70%. 24, 25, 26, 27. 24, 25, 26, 27. All will go together with a deviation of how much? 0.15%. All will go together with a deviation of how much? 0.15%. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, 12 and 17. 12 and 17. Now see here. 12 goes how many times in 100? 8 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. 1 plus 2, 3. So 8.33. 12 goes how many times in 100? 8 times. Add the digits in the denominator. 1 plus 2, 3. Write down it as twice. 17 goes how many times in 100? 17 goes how many times in 100? 5 times. Add the digits in the denominator. Add the digits in the denominator. 5.88. Are you all with me? 12 goes how many times in 100? 8 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 17 goes how many times in 100? 5 times in 100. Add the digits in the denominator. Now see here. These are some fractions. If you remember it, you can solve a lot of problems easily. 18, 19, 20, 21. Which one is easy to compute? 1 by 20. 20 goes how many times in 100? 5 times. So it is 5%. 18, 19, 20, 21. They all go together with a deviation of 0.25. So 5 plus 0.25. It is 5.25. Plus 0.25. It is 5.5. It is minus 0.25. It is 4.75. It is 4.75. 18, 19, 20, 21. 1 by 20, it is 5%, which all go together with a deviation of 0.25. This is plus 0.25%. Here also it is plus 0.25%. Here it is minus 0.25%. 18, 19, 20, 21. All the four will go with a deviation of 0.25%. All the four go together with a deviation of 0.25%. Is the idea clear? 18, 19, 20, 21, 12 and 17. 1 by 23, 1 by 29. 23 goes how many times in 100? 4 times in 100. 23 goes how many times in 100? 4 times in 100. Listen carefully. Right? 4 times in 100. Write down this unit digit 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 4.35. 1 by 23 is 4.35. In case if you are unable to determine, right, do the first Pythagorean triplet, which is 3, 4, 5. 3.45%. 1 by 29 is 3.45%. 29 goes how many times in 100? 3 times in 100. 3 dot, right? 3.45. Sir, how you got these 3, 4, 5, sir? Another very important concept. This is 23, these interchange 3 and 4. Interchange 3 and 4. If I interchange 3 and 4, this will become 4.35. 4.35. 23 is 4.35. 29 is 3.45. Important note. One by one, write in the same ideas. Note. Pythagorean triplets. Very important concept, sir. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Very important. It is used extensively in geometry because we did 3.45. Let us do these Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. What is Pythagorean triplets? Suppose take an odd number greater than 1. 3. 3. Square it. Square it. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Write down the number less than 4.5. Write the number greater than 4.5. So answer for this question is 3, 4, 5. Pythagorean triplet says 5 square equivalent to 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square equivalent to 3 square plus 4 square. 5 is called the hypotenuse. 5 is called the hypotenuse. This is 5, this is 3, this is 4. 5 square equivalent to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square it is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Integer less than 4.5. Integer greater than 4.5. Next it is 5 square is 25. 25 divided by 2. 12.5. What is the integer? Less than 12.5, 12. Greater than 12.5, 13. So answer for this question is 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Are you all with me? How easily you can do Pythagorean triplets. That's where, from where I wrote this, 3.45. This is also 3.45. If it is 7 square, 7 square is 49. 49 divided by 2, 24.5. Less than 24.5 and greater than 24.5. 7, 24, 25. 7, 24, 25. Are you all with me? Next is 9 square. 9 square is 81. 81 by 2 is 40.5. Less than 40.5, greater than 40.5. This is how you can do these Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Very, very important as a right-angled related property. These basic foundation. I'm sure it is clear, right? 18, 19, 20, 21. Which one is easy to compute? 20 it is easy to compute. What is the value? 5%. Remaining all will go together with a deviation of 0.25. Value denominator increases, percentage increases. 5.5. 1 by 21 is 4.75. 12 and 17. 12 goes how many times in 100? 8 times. Write the unit digit 2. Write plus 1. Unit digit plus a tens place. 8.33. Difficult fractions. Students who are finding it little difficult to compute, for them, I made the job easier by telling you how you can remember it. 24, 25, 26, 27. 1 by 25 is 5, 4. So they go together with a deviation of 0.15. They go together with a deviation of 0.25. 1 by 17 is 5.88. I hope the idea it is clear how Pythagorean triplet can be formed. Pythagorean triplet can be formed. Now see here, some problems. One by one, we will try to solve some 20 to 30 problems based on what we discussed. One by one, we will discuss. First one, 28.5714%. 28.5714% of 350. 28.5714% of 350. What is 28.5714? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 into 350. What is the value? 100. 28.5714. This seems little complicated, but once you know percentage to fraction, the idea is very easy. 28.5714. Already we did it. 28.5714 is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Next one. 8.33% of 48. 8.33% of 48. 8.33%. Just now we discussed 1 by 12 is 8.33%. 1 by 17 is 5.88%. 8.33%. It is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 48. 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. 8.33% is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into 48 is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, slightly we will make it difficult. 41.66%. 41.66% of 720 combination. 41.66% of 720. 41.66. This is an fraction developed from two fractions, 25% plus 16.66%. 41.66 is 25% plus 16.66. 25% is 1 by 4. 16.66 is 1 by 6 into 720. Into 720. Idea clear, right, sir? 41.66 is 25% plus 16.66. 25% is 1 by 4. 16.66 is 1 by 6. 720 by 4, 180. 720 by 6, 120. 180 plus 120. What will be the answer? 300. 180 plus 120. What will be the answer? 300. 41.66% is 25% plus 16.66%. 25% plus 16.66. Another question. I hope, right, you are all understanding, right, sir? 39.2857%. 39.2857% of 42. 39.2857% of 42. 39.2857. It is derived from two fractions. One is 25%. Another is 14.2857%. One is 25%. Another is 14.2857%. 25% is 1 by 4. 14.2857 is 1 by 7 into 42. Into 42. 42 by 4 is 10.5 plus 6. What is the answer for this question? 16.5. What is the answer for this question? 16.5. Is the idea clear? 28.5714 percentage. It is 2 by 7. 8.33 percentage. It is 1 by 12. 41.66 percentage. It is a derived percentage, which is 25 percentage plus 16.66 percentage. 39.2857 percentage. It is 25 percentage plus 14.2857 percentage. This is 1 by 4 and it is 1 by 7. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 into 42. 4 questions idea clear, right, sir? 4 questions idea clear. We discussed percentages. Now we will discuss percentage increase or decrease. We will discuss percentage increase or decrease. Percentage increase or decrease. Till here, any doubts are there? Kindly specify. Let me look at the comment section. Any doubts are there? Kindly specify. Topic by topic, model by model, concept by concept, we will discuss in detail. Percentage increase or decrease. We will go very slowly. We will discuss the concepts. We will understand the right, how the questions are being framed. I will try to make these arithmetic as easy as possible for you. Percentage increase or decrease, right? Percentage means, A percentage means A by 100. That means A parts out of 100 parts. A parts out of 100 parts. A parts out of 100 parts. That is called A percentage. That is A percentage. Sir, then what do you mean by percentage increase? Percentage increase. Listen carefully, sir. This is the foundation. Percentage increase. Percentage change we will write. Change can be a positive change. Change can be a negative change. Percentage change. Percentage change is change upon initial value. Percentage change is change upon initial value. Percentage change is change upon initial value. Whenever you are writing percentage increase or percentage decrease, numerator will be on initial value. How much it has got increased, how much it has got decreased. What is the increase, what is the decrease? That increase or decrease, I will write it as the numerator. Please write down this fundamental point, right? Denominator is always the initial value. Denominator, it is always the initial value. Denominator is always the initial value. Denominator, it is always the initial value. Then, sir, what is the numerator? Numerator, it will be the change. Numerator, it will be the change. Change can be positive or negative. Numerator, it will be the change. It can be positive, up arrow. It can be negative, down arrow. It can be negative, down arrow. Then what is the final value? Final value is given by initial value plus change. Change, if it is positive, I will get plus value. If it is negative, I will get minus value. Denominator is always the initial value. Denominator, it is always the initial value. Numerator, it is the change. Either it can be an increase or it can be a decrease. Very, very important, sir. This slide is extremely important. Only if you understand this slide, profit, loss and discount and simple interest, compound interest can be done effectively. Listen carefully. Can be done effectively. Now listen carefully. Listen very carefully, sir. There is this initial value, IV, I am calling it as initial value. This is the change and this is the final value. initial value, change, and it is the final value. Final value is initial value plus change. Final value is initial value plus change. Initial value, it is cost price. I went to a shop. I purchased a product. I went to a shop. I purchased a product. Then I sold it at a bigger price. Change is profit. Final value is selling price, which is initial value plus change. The definition remains the same. Final value is initial value plus change. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. Are you all with me? You don't need to remember that formulas. Once your concepts are clear, easily you can solve. Initial value, if it is a cost price. I sold a product at loss. So selling price is equivalent to cost price minus loss. Cost price minus loss. Are you all with me? SP equivalent to CP minus loss. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. SP equivalent to CP minus loss. Next one. I went to a shop. I bought a product. Right? I bought a product. There is no seal on that product. I added my own seal. Anil Nair classes lead. Suppose I bought a water bottle at 10 rupees. On a seal, I kept it as 12 rupees. That we call it as markup. That we call it as markup. That, right? And I kept my own seal. So the price marked on the product is 12 right now. So which is 10 rupees I purchased and I increased it by 2 rupees. See here, how important are the concepts. Final value equivalent to initial value plus change. Final value equivalent to initial value plus change. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. SP equivalent to CP minus loss. MP equivalent to CP plus MP. Next one, suppose there is a price marked on the water bottle which is 10 rupees. My friend came. I sold it at 2 rupees less. I sold it at 2 rupees less, which is called discount. SP equivalent to MP. Discount means I am losing money. MP minus discount. SP equivalent to MP minus discount. SP equivalent to MP minus discount. SP equivalent to CP plus profit. SP equivalent to CP minus loss. I hope it is clear. I went to a shop. I purchased a product at 10 rupees. I sold it at 12 rupees. Change is profit. I purchased a product at 10 rupees. I sold it at 8 rupees. That is loss. I went to a shop, purchased a water bottle at 10 rupees. There is no price marked on the water bottle, which I kept my own label, that is markup. I made it to 12. MP equivalent to CP plus markup. MP equivalent to CP plus markup. SP equivalent to MP plus discount. I took some money from my friend. I took some money from my friend, which is principal. Since I am using his money, I will pay interest. Since I am using his money, I will pay interest. Amount equivalent to principal plus interest. Amount equivalent to principal plus interest. Are you all with me? I purchased a land. Initial value. After 1 year, because of Corona, the land value got depreciated. Final value is initial value minus depreciation. Depreciation means the value went down. Depreciation means the value went down. That means whatever we are discussing can also be applied to profit, loss and discount, can also be applied to principal and simple interest, compound interest related problems. One by one, 20-25 problems we will discuss only on percentage increase. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope all the viewers who are watching this class, my sincere suggestion to you, take a notebook and a pen and keep a note of all the important key points. When you are listening to me, in case if you are listening right now, put the headphones and listen to the class with utmost attention. Listen to the class with utmost attention. I hope these concepts are clear. I hope this idea it is clear. One by one we will solve. Shall we solve problems? Right, problems. You will not get a single doubt in my class if you follow it thoroughly. Problems. If you solve it thoroughly. Problems. First one. Initial value is 240. Initial value is 240. Percentage increase is 16.67 percentage. 16.67 percentage. What is the final value? What is the final value? Initial value it is 240. Percentage increase it is given by 16.67 percentage. What is the final value? 16.67 it is 1 by 6. 16.67 it is 1 by 6. What do you mean by percentage increase? What exactly you mean by percentage increase? Change by initial value. That means if initial value it is 6, change is there is an increase of 1 on 6. There is an increase of 1 on 6. Final value will be 7. Initial value it is 6. On 6 there is 1 increase. On 6 there is 1 increase. Final value it is 7. But according to the question, 6 is becoming 240. 6 is becoming 240. 6 into 40 is 240. 7 into 40 is 280. 7 into 40 is 280. First problem clear, sir? Percentage increase is 16.67 percentage, which is 1 by 6. On 6 there is an increase of 1. On 6 if there is an increase of 1, final value it is 7. But according to the question, 6 is becoming 240. According to the question, 6 is becoming 240 into 40. 7 into 40 is 280. 7 into 40 is 280. First question clear, right, sir? Slowly, one by one, we will discuss. Final value is 300. Final value is 300. Percentage decrease it is 14.2857 percentage. 14.2857 percentage. Initial value how much? Final value is 300. Percentage decrease it is 14.2857 percentage. Initial value 14.2857 is 1 by 7. 14.2857 is 1 by 7. What do you mean by percentage decrease? What do you mean by percentage decrease? Change by initial value. That means if initial value it is 7, on 7 there is a 1 decrease. Final value it is 6. On 7 there is 1 decrease. It is 6. But according to the question, it is 300. 6 into 50 is 300. 7 into 50 is 350. On 7, 1 decrease, it is 6. 6 is becoming 300. 650s are 300. 750s are 350. 750s are 350. I hope the idea it is clear. Again I am explaining. On 7, 1 decrease. On 7, 1 decrease. This value is 6. 6 is becoming 300. 650s are 300. 750s are 350. 750s are 350. Third one. I hope the idea it is clear, right, sir? One is initial value given, percentage increase given. Final value given, percentage decrease given. Cost price is 360. Cost price is 360. Profit percentage is 8.33 percentage. 8.33 percentage. Selling price how much? Cost price is 360. Profit percentage is 8.33 percentage. Selling price. 8.33 percentage is 1 by 12. 8.33 percentage is 1 by 12. Remember, In profit loss and discount problems, initial value is always the cost price. Initial value, it is always the cost price. On 12, one increase, it is 13. If the cost price is 12, on 12, there is a profit of 1, it is 13. 12 is becoming 360. 12 is becoming 360. 12 30s are 360. 13 30s are 390. 13 30s are 390. 8.33 percentage is 1 by 12. 8.33 percentage is 1 by 12. On 12, 1 increase. On 12, 1 increase. How much will be the value? 13. But according to the question, 12 is becoming how much? 360. 12 30s are 360. 13 30s are 390. I hope you got the idea. Entire profit, loss and discount, we are going to solve like this. Fourth one, market price is 350. Market price is 350, right? Discount percentage is 14.2857. Market price is 350. Discount percentage is 14.2857. Selling price how much? Selling price how much? Market price is 350. Discount it is 1 by 7. On 7, 1 decrease. 7 rupees is the price marked on the product. I decreased 1 rupee. Discount means I am selling at a loss. So on 7, 1 less 6. 7 is becoming 350 into 50. 60 into 50. What is the value? 300. What is the value? 300. 4 questions here, right, sir? The change can be a profit, change can be a loss, change can be a discount. Change can be a discount. I hope you are all understanding, right, sir? So 1% increase is given, 1% decrease is given, right? The same thing, instead of initial value, he called it as a cost price. Instead of percentage increase, he called it as profit percentage. Final value, it is SP. First 4 questions, idea it is clear, right? Now slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. Any doubts are there in these questions? Kindly ask me. I'll have a glass of water, right? Any doubts are there? Any doubts? Kindly ask me. Right, first 4 questions. Then slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. 4 questions are clear, right? Fifth question. Sir, what will happen if there are 2 increases? Percentage increase is, first year there is an increase of 16.67%. Second year there is an increase of 14.2857%. 14.2857%. 14.2857%. Final value is 560. What is the initial value? Listen carefully, sir. Percentage increase is 16.67%. Second year it is 14.2857%. Final value is 560. What is the initial value? What is the initial value? 16.67 it is 1 by 6. 14.2857 it is 1 by 7. It is 1 by 7. On 6 1 increase, it is 7. First year, right? 6 is, initial value is always there in the denominator. 6 1 increase, how much it will become? 7. 7 1 increase, second year. 7 1 increase, how much it will become? 8. One event after another event. 6 is becoming 8. But according to the question, 8 is becoming 560. So it is into 70. 6 into 70. What is the initial value? 420. What is the initial value? 420. 16.67% is 1 by 6. On 6, 1 increase, 7. 14.2857 percentage, 1 by 7. On 7, 1 increase, it is 8. 7, 7 cancel. 6 is becoming 8. But according to the question, 8 is given as 560. 8 is the final value. 870s are 560. 670s are 420. Fifth question clear, right? Sixth question. Sixth one. Listen carefully, sir. Sixth one. 1% increase. 1% increase is 20%. Second year it is 25% decrease. 25% decrease. Initial value is 720. What is the final value? Percentage increase is 20%. Percentage decrease is 25%. Initial value is 720. What is the final value? Listen carefully. 20% is 1 by 5. 25% is 1 by 4. 20% is 1 by 5. Right? It is increase. 25% is 1 by 4. 5 1 increase, it is 6. 4 1 decrease, it is 3. Are you all with me? 4 1 decrease, it is 3. 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. 20 is becoming 720. 20 is becoming 720 into 36. Answer also it will be 18 into 36. 18 into 36 is 18 into 2. So 18 square 324 into 2, which is 648. Which is 648. If 2% increases are given, how to solve it? I hope the idea it is clear. The reason why I told percentage at the beginning is, if you are good in it, then you can solve the problem very easily. On 6 1 increase 7. On 7 1 increase 8. 6 is becoming 8. 8 is becoming 560 into 70. 5 is becoming 6. 4 is becoming 3. 20 is becoming 18. 20 has to become 720 into 36. 18 into 36. Fifth and sixth. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Now seventh one. Same similar model. Seventh one. Listen carefully, sir. Now slowly we will enter into few examination related questions. Length is increased by 20%. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 30%. 30%. Find the percentage change in. Find the percentage change in area. Find the percentage change in area. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 30%. 20% it is 1 by 5. 30% it is 3 by 10. Length is increased by 1 by 5. Breadth is increased by 3 by 10. Area. Listen carefully, sir. Area equivalent to length into breadth. Area is equivalent to length into breadth. Now listen carefully. Length is increased by 1 by 5. Length is increased by 1 by 5. 5 1 increase, it is 6. On 5, there is an increase of 1. On 5, there is an increase of 1. Value will be 6. 3 by 10. On 10, there is an increase of 3. It is 13. So it is 5 10s are 50. 6 13s are 78. Multiply by 2. 100 is becoming 156. 100 is becoming 156. Overall increase will be 56%. Overall increase will be 56%. Length is increased by 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. On 5 1 increase 6. 30% is 3 by 10. On 10 3 increase 13. 5 10s are 50. 6 13s are 78. 50 is becoming 78. 100 will become 156. 100 is becoming 156. Increase is 56. Increase will be 56. Is the idea clear? Very easily you can solve. Eighth question. The side of a square increases by 25%. Find the percentage change in the side of a square increases by 25%. Find the percentage change in the side of the square. Side increases by 25%. Find the percentage change in the side of the square. Listen carefully, sir. So, area equivalent to side into side. Area of a square is given by side into side. 25%. 25% is 1 by 4. 25% is 1 by 4. On 4, 1 increase. Denominator is always the initial value. On 4, 1 increase, 5. Again it is on 4, 1 increase, 5. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 16 is becoming 25. There is an increase of 9 on 16. 9 on 16. It is 9 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5 by 2. It is 6.25. So, answer for this question is 56.25. Answer for this question is 56.25. Side increases by 25%. 25% is 1 by 4. On 4, 1 increase 5. Again on 4, 1 increase 5. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 16 is becoming 25. Increase is 9. 9 on 16. 9 on 16 is 56.25%. 56.25%. Is the idea clear? I hope you are understanding the flow one by one. 7th over, 8th over, 9th. Price is increased by 40%. Price is increased by 40%. Consumption is decreased by 10%. Price increased by 40%. Consumption decreased by 10%. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Same concept, sir. Price into consumption. Price into consumption equivalent to expenditure. Price into consumption is equivalent to expenditure. Price increased by 40%, which is 2 by 5. Consumption decreased by 10%, 1 by 10. On 5 to increase, it is 7. On 10, 1 decrease, it is 9. So 5 10s are 50, 7 9s are 63. 50 became 63. There is an increase of, right, 13 on 50. 13 on 50 means 26%. 26%. Is the idea clear? That means the concept of percentage change can also be used for the problems where the product of two parameters, it is constant. So, area equivalent to length into breadth, you can use. Area equivalent to side into side, this you can use. Price into consumption is expenditure. That also you can use. 9th problem also you can use. 10th one, listen carefully. One by one, model by model, we will discuss. 10th one. First percentage increase is 20%. Second year percentage increase is 16.67%. Third year percentage increase is 14.2857%. 14.285%. First year 20% increase. Second year, 16.67% increase. Third year, 14.2857% increase. Overall percentage change. Overall percentage change. Overall percentage change, how much? First year percentage increase is 20%. Second year it is 16.67%. Third year it is 14.2857%. 20% is 1 by 5. 16.67 is 1 by 6. 14.2857 is 1 by 7. First year there is an increase of 1 by 5. Second year there is an increase of 1 by 6. Third year there is an increase of 1 by 7. On 5 one increase, it is 6. On 6 one increase, it is 7. On 7 one increase, it is 8. That means overall how much? 6 cancel, 7 cancel. 5 is becoming 8. There is an increase of 3 on 5. 3 on 5 is 60%. 5 is becoming 6. 6 is becoming 7. 7 is becoming 8. 6 cancel, 7 cancel. 5 is becoming 8. There is an increase of 3 on 5. 3 on 5 is 60%. Instead of doing first year percentage increase, second year percentage increase, third year percentage increase, it is very easily can be overall increase can be done by using these change concept. By using these change concept. 11th one, right? Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 30%. Height is increased by 10%. Right. Height is increased by 10%. What is the percentage change in volume of the cuboid? What is the percentage change in the volume of the cuboid? A cuboid contains length, breadth and height. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 30%. Height is increased by 10%. Find the percentage change in the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Volume of the cuboid is LBH. 20% is 1 by 5. 30% is 3 by 10. 10% is 1 by 10. 20% is 1 by 5. 30% is 3 by 10. 10% is 1 by 10. On 5 one increase, which is 6. On 10 3 increase, 13. On 10 one increase, it is 11. On 10 one increase, 11. So this will become 500. This will become 11 13s are 143. 143 into 6. Are you all with me? 6 3s are 18. 858. That means there is an increase of 358 by 500. 71.6%. 71.6%. Is the idea clear? Length, breadth and height, right? Not only for if the first year it is increase, second year decrease. You can also use it for all these related problems. Length increase, breadth increase, height increase. Similarly, we will do some more problems. Any comments are there? Let me have a look at it. Everything is properly, very neatly structured class. Listen very carefully, right? Very carefully listen to these problems. I hope the idea it is clear. So all these live classes are for IBPS PO, SBI PO. specific sessions. We will start with the fundamentals. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. Slowly we will increase the level of difficulty. Any student who is a beginner, right, he will understand this class. Any student who want everything in a neatly, right, structured way, it will be helpful for the class. All you have to do is come for the class live and listen to the class. 10th clear, 11th clear, then 12th one. Then again in this slide, we will solve 3 more problems, one by one, problem by problem, level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. These are 10th and 11th. 12th one, listen. 12th one, the side of a cube increases by 10%. The side of a cube increases by 10%. Find the percentage change in volume of the cube. Find the percentage change in volume of the cube. Listen carefully, sir. Find the percentage change in volume of the cube. Same model, you can also use these concept in an, right, geometry and mensuration also. Side increases by 10%. Find the percentage change in volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is given by side into side into side. Volume of the cube is given by side into side into side. 10%, it is 1 by 10. On 10 one increase, it is 11. On 10 one increase, 11. On 10 one increase, 11. 10, 10, 10, it is 1000. 11 cube, it is 1331. So extra is 331 out of 1000, which is 33.1%. 33.1%. Side increases by 10%. Percentage change in the volume of the cube. Percentage change in the volume of the cube. So side increases by 10%. Volume of the cube is given by side into side into side. 10% is 1 by 10. On 10, 1 increase 11. Second year, on 10, 1 increase 11. Third year, on 10, 1 increase 11. 10, 10, 10. 1000 is becoming 1331. 1000 is becoming 1331. How much is the increase? 331. 331 out of 1000 is 33.1%. Is the idea clear? 13th question. 2 successive discounts of 20%, 2 successive discounts of 20% and 25% is equal to single discount of how much? 2 successive discounts of 20% and 25% is equal to a single discount of how much? Listen carefully. 2 successive discount 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. On 5, 1 decrease 4. On 5, there discount means change by initial value. Discount 10 rupees water bottle, I am selling it at 8. On 5, there is a decrease of 1. 25%, it is 1 by 4. On 4, 1 decrease, it is 3. 4, 4 cancel. 5 is becoming a 3. 5 is becoming a 3. 2 on 5. 2 on 5 is 40%. That means instead of giving discount at 20% once, then 25% second time, right? Overall, it is equivalent to 40%. On 5, 1 discount 4. On 4, 1 discount 3. 4, 4 cancel. 5 is becoming a 3. If 5 is becoming a 3, there is a decrease of 2 on 5. 2 on 5, it is 40%. 2 on 5, it is 40%. 14th one. 3 successive discounts of 16.66%, 20%, 20 percentage, and for example 8.33 percentage is equal to single discount of dash, is equal to single discount of dash. Read the question. 3 successive discounts of 16.66 percentage, 20 percentage, and 8.33 percentage. 16.66 is 1 by 6. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 8.33 is 1 by 12. Are you all with me? On 6 1 decrease, it is 5. On 5 1 decrease, it is 4. On 12 1 decrease, it is 11. On 12 1 decrease, it is 11. 6 5s are 30, 30 12s are 360. 5 4s are 20, 20 11s are 220. 360 is becoming 220. There is a decrease of 140 on 360. 140 on 360. 14 by 36 is closer to 14 by 35. Answer is 40 percentage. Answer is 40 percentage. Percentage change. We discussed for 2 values, then we discussed for 3 values. I hope the idea it is clear. First class is a foundation class. Listen carefully. When we are discussing the exam model questions, you should not go through some fundamental leakages, sir. 14th. It is clear, right? Now see here. Next 6 problems. Very 15th one. Our percentage is 16.67 percentage. Our percentage is 16.67 percentage. N is 2 years. Amount is 980. It is compound interest. Principal equivalent to how much? Principal equivalent to how much? Our percentage is 16.67 percentage. N is 2 years. Amount is 980. Principal will be how much? 16.67. What will be the value? 1 by 6. 16.67. It is 1 by 6. It is, instead of 6 rupees initial value, there is an increase of 1, which is 7. 6 is becoming 7. That is for how many years? 2 years. First year also 16.67. Second year also 16.67. 6 is becoming 7. 6 6s are 36. 7 7s are 49. Initial value it is called the principal. Final value it is called the amount. In simple interest and compound interest, final value is initial value plus change. Amount is principal plus interest. 49 is becoming how much? 980. 49 becomes 980. It is into 20. 36 into 20 is 720. 36 into 20 is 720. 16.67 is 1 by 6. On 6 1 increase 7. Second year also 6 1 increase 7. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 49 is becoming 980. 49 20s are 980. 36 20s are 720. 36 20s are 720. 15th question. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody understood, right, sir? How easily you can solve compound interest related problems using the percentage change. R percentage equivalent to 14.2857 percentage. 14.2857 percentage. Compound interest for 2 years. It is 60. Find the principal and find the amount. Find the principal and find the amount. Our percentage is given as 14.2857 percentage. Our percentage is given as 14.2857. CI for 2 years is 60. Amount and principal. 14.2857 is 1 by 7. 7 1 increase 8. Second year also 7 1 increase 8. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. Initial value is always the principal. Final value is always the amount. Final value is always the amount. What is the change? Change is compound interest. It is 15, but according to the question, it is 60. So into 4. So principal will be 49 into 4. Amount will be 64 into 4. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Our percentage is 16.67, 1 by 6. 6 became 7. Second year also, 6 became 7. 36 became 49. I hope the concept it is clear, right? 17th problem. One by one we will discuss. Our percentage is 16.67 percentage. R2 percentage is 14.2857 percentage. 14.2857. R3 percentage is 12.5 percentage. Amount is 3,600. Principal is how much? R1 percentage is 16.67. R2 percentage is 14.2857. R3 percentage is 12.5 percentage. Next it is 3,600. Principal equivalent to how much? This is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 7. This is 1 by 8. 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8. 6 1 increase, it is 7. 7 1 increase, 8. 8 1 increase, 9. So if I multiply, 6 is becoming a 9. But according to the question, 9 is 3,600. So into 400. Principal is 6 into 400. Principal is 6 into 400. Is the idea clear? I hope you have understood, right, how to apply these percentage change related problems. Sir, it is for total 2 years it is given. What if it is for a particular year? If it is given, that will be discussed in the next coming classes. Idea it is clear, right, sir? Initial value in SI and CI. Initial value is the principal. Final value is the amount. Change is the interest. Amount equivalent to principal plus interest. Amount equivalent to principal plus interest. Sir, can I use these change concept when the product of two parameters it is constant? Not only for two parameters constant, you can use it for 3 parameters constant also. We used it. Sir, if answer options are given, is there any better way to solve the question? That also we will discuss. We discussed the definition of a percentage. We discussed some important percentage to fraction. If the denominator is 7, how to get the percentage fastly? Denominator 9, denominator 11, denominator 12 and 17, denominator 18, 19, 20, 21. Denominator 23, 29. Denominator 24, 25, 26, 27. How to find out these Pythagorean triplets? Why? Because 1 by 29 is 3.45. I hope everything it is clear, right? Direct conversion to fraction, right? A percentage which is a combination of two fractions. Difference between percentage and percentage change. How these percentage change names are given in profit, loss and discount, right? These are very important slides, sir. One by one, slowly one by one we discussed. One by one we discussed. I hope the idea it is clear. In tomorrow's class, we will increase the level of difficulty and we will get into an exam model. I strongly recommend each and every student to watch this entire class. In case if you are enjoying these special series, kindly like the video, right? And subscribe to Ace Online channel and click on the bell notification so that you will not miss any of the class update. Thanks a lot for watching this session. With love, Anil Nair, Faculty, Ace Online.
Myself Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now I divide my preparation strategy into three basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants.
A clear strategy, and if you will work hard, you will definitely achieve your goal. Thank you.
Myself Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now I divide my preparation strategy into three basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants.
And do hard work.
Thank you.
Because if you have a very good plan, a clear strategy, and if you will work hard, you will definitely achieve your goal. Thank you.
Myself Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now I divide my preparation strategy into three basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.
I was also enrolled in ACE Academy online test series. The questions in ACE Academy online test series were very good and helped me develop a strong development required for the exam. My tips for the future aspirants who are preparing for
Myself Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination